While plastic bottles have become commonplace, they may harm our health. In contrast, copper vessels, used for centuries, offer natural benefits. Today we'll show you how these traditional bottles are crafted and why they're so good for you. Stay tuned to the end to learn more. The creation of a copper bottle begins with round copper sheets. First, oil is applied to both sides, then they're pressed into basic pot shapes using a hydraulic machine. This forms the foundation for all copper utensils. Next, each pressed copper pot moves to the heating stage, a vital process that makes the metal workable. Workers build a traditional furnace, first a base of cow dung cakes, then the copper pots, followed by another layer of dung cakes. They douse the stack with kerosene and light the fire, which burns continuously for 24 hours. This intense heating strengthens the copper and prepares it for shaping. After a full day, the furnace is ready to be opened. Workers carefully remove each pot from the furnace and let them cool. Once ready, shaping begins, first forming the neck using specialized machines. The shaped necks then undergo another round of precise heating, focusing just on the upper section to maintain perfect workability. This repeated heating, unique to copper crafting, ensures ideal malleability for perfect shaping, a process far more involved than working with steel or iron. Now comes the final shaping. Artisans skillfully use rods to form each bottle's elegant curves. This demanding process takes 5 to 7 minutes per bottle to perfect. Once shaped, the finished bottles are carefully removed from their molds and prepared for polishing, where they'll gain their signature shine. Next, each bottle undergoes meticulous polishing to reveal copper's natural brilliance. Watch as skilled hands transform the surface into a radiant finish, the final step before decorative embellishments. Artisans now add intricate designs using two traditional methods. First, they hand hammer patterns onto the surface with skilled chisel work, a centuries-old technique that brings each bottle to life. The bottles then receive their final decorative touch through chemical etching. Artisans first reheat each piece before carefully applying special etching solutions to both sides. The chemicals create intricate permanent designs in the central portion of the bottle. After applying additional chemical treatments to set the patterns, each piece undergoes a thorough cleaning process to reveal the beautiful finished design. Next, each bottle's interior is cleaned in a special solution, removing tarnish and ensuring hygiene. Drinking from copper bottles offers health benefits, aiding digestion, boosting immunity, and detoxifying. Simply fill overnight and drink in the morning. Now spotless inside and out, the bottles shine brilliantly, ready for use. The final touch, artisans polish every edge to perfection, then apply a protective lacquer to preserve the bottle's shine permanently. And here it is, your beautiful handcrafted copper bottle, ready for years of use. If you enjoyed watching this craftsmanship, share it with friends. Until next time, stay well.